Protect your vital Excel documents from unauthorized use by adding a professional watermark. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top of your Excel window. Within the Page Setup group, locate and click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. Make sure the Header, Footer tab is selected. Now, click on the Custom Header button. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see sections for left, center, and right headers. Click the Picturea Euro button within the center section. This will open the Insert Picture window. Choose from a file to select a logo or image from your computer. Click the Browse button. Find the image file you want to use as your watermark, select it, and click Insert. You'll now see a placeholder for your picture in the center section. Click OK twice to close both dialog boxes. And there you have it. Your custom watermark is now in place, subtly layered behind your spreadsheet data. You can adjust the size and transparency of your watermark by going back into the custom header, clicking the Format Picture button, and adjusting settings on the Picture tab. This is a fantastic way to clearly indicate the status of your documents, whether they are drafts, confidential, or simply branded with your company's identity.